Good day, everyone. So today we'll be doing May-June number 10, 2024. Let's read 10A, the determinant of matrix. This is 24, calculate the value of D. So first off, we know that your determinant is equals to AD minus BC. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So AD is 6 times minus V minus, what is 6B? 2V times minus 5. 6 times V minus V is minus 6V, right? A minus is a plus. Plus 10V is equals to 24, right? 10V minus 6V is 4. V is equals to 24. So V is equals to 24 divided by 4, so V is equals to 6. 6 was our 24, so your answer for this is 6. It said that L and M are defined as the following. Evaluate each. They say the product of L, M. So first, before you multiply any matrix, you need to find if it's conformable to multiplication, meaning if it is able to multiply. Alright, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, and this is 2 rows by 1 column. We can see that the number of rows, the number of columns in your first matrix and the number of rows in your second matrix are equal, hence they can multiply, and your resultant matrix is going to be the number of rows in your first matrix multiplied by the number of columns in your second matrix. So it will be E11 by E21, right? It's going to be row by column, so we know that E11 equals to row 1 by column, so that's 9 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by minus 4, and E21 would be 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by minus 4. Alright, so therefore when you multiply this, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus minus 20 is minus 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus minus 4 is also 3 by 2 plus 2 by minus 4 is minus 2. So you know that your resultant matrix LM is minus 2 minus 2. Alright, let's go on to the next question. They want L inverse. The formula for L inverse would be equal to 1 over AD minus BC by D here, A here, minus B minus C. That is the formula for inverse, right? What is L? L is 9532. Let's write it down. L is 9532. We know this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, so let's put it in. So L inverse would be 1 over 9 excuse me, 9 2s are 18 minus BC, which is 5 3s are 15. Alright, then multiply by, you exchange the placements of A and D, so this is 2, this is 9, this will be minus 5, and this is minus 3. Alright, so that is 1 over 3 by 2 minus 5 minus 3 and 9. When you multiply this, you multiply now 2 by each, so it'll be 2 over 3 minus 5 over 3 minus 3 over 3 and 9 over 3. Alright, which would be equal to 2 over 3 minus 5 over 3 minus 1 and 3. And that is the answer for L inverse. Alright, PQ is 5 minus 4. If P is the coordinates minus 2, 3, determine the coordinates of Q. So PQ would be PO plus OQ. Alright? So this is 5 minus 4. Alright? We know that OP is equal to minus 2, 3. But we don't want OP, we want PO, which would be plus 2 minus 3. Right? So that would be minus 2, why am I saying minus 2? Plus 2 minus 3 plus xy, x being the coordinates of x, y being the coordinates of y. Alright, so x would be equals to 5 minus 2 and y would be equals to minus 4 plus 3. Alright, so that is 5 minus 2 is 3. This is minus 1. So OQ is equals to 3 minus 1. The value on top is my x. Value at the bottom is my y. So OQ is equals to 3 minus 1. And that is the answer for this question here. Let's do D in a pentagon. OABCD. OA is parallel. OA is parallel to DC, and AB is parallel to OD. OD is 2AB, and since AB is B, so this is 2B, and they're going in the same direction, so O to D. Right, this would be 2, right? OA is A and AB is B. Alright, find in terms of A and B, AD. That means your starting point is A and ending point is D. Right, so we're going from here, let's use this, starting from A, going down and then going across. Alright, so we know AD is equals to AO plus OD. Do we know what AO is? We know OA. So we know OA is equals to A, but we're going in the opposite direction, AO, which would be negative A. So this would be negative A plus OD, which is 2B. Alright, and that would be an answer for this question. BC. Also, they told you OA is equals to 2DC. So this would be A over 2. Right? So when they want to find out B to C, right? Let's use a different color so that we can see it. I'll use pink. We're going from B to A, then A to O, O to D, D to C. So let's add that up. Alright. Okay. So we just need to see the diagram. So we're going, this is equals to B to A plus A to O plus O to D plus D to C. B to A is not B, is minus B. A to O is minus A. O to D is 2B. D to C is A over 2. Let's group like terms. That's 2B minus B plus a half A, which is A over 2, minus A. So this would be B minus A over 2. Alright? Or we can say B minus a half A. Whichever one you want to put. And that would be your answer for this question here. State the conclusion about A, D, and B, C that can be drawn from your response in 1 and 2. Oh, they're scale factors of each other. So we want to know what is the relationship between, let's say, minus A, right, plus 2B and minus a half A plus B, right? What we do is we can clearly see that if we multiply a half A minus a half A plus B by 2, you're gonna get minus A plus 2B. Right, so because they are scalar factors of each other, they are parallel to each other. Right, so immediately you would say, what is AD? AD is the first one. It's the first one, and this is the second one. You would say 2 BC is equal to AD, right? Yeah. So because of that, you say therefore they are scalar multiples of each other, hence they're scalar multiples of each other, hence they are parallel to each other. In other words, AD, vector AD is parallel to BC. Right, and that is how you would do number 10 of May, June 2024.